covers up. Make sure, because now, originally, well, there was two sizes of tires you could put on them. Now there's going to be 3, because there's a 19L tire that's now available, even bigger. And so you got to make sure that you follow the instructions on setting the axle up and everything, where you don't contact the side shields, depending on what tire you get in. And I'll say, once we get these carryovers out of the way, we'll order next year's balers. We'll order the bigger tires on them that we have here. And so you want to make sure that you follow that. Again, we just want to make sure that the ramp is out there far enough to where when the bale rolls out, that it doesn't come back and affect the tailgate coming down on it. This baler's got the rotary feed system, very aggressive feed. Some people think, well, your forks are kind of curved that way, but they're coming this way. They're designed that way. You don't think they're got to be the other way. This is your starter roll, 2 forming rolls, and what we'll do here in a minute is get the duckbill to come in and just kind of show you where it needs to be effective and put the mesh, because if it's too far back, the mesh can't engage. If it comes too far in, then the duckbill can't open enough and the mesh can't come out. So you kind of got to get it right here in the middle on that. So, anybody have an idea what this might be? There's water out there for anybody to guess. No. This is the short prop kit. Okay, and I carry this around. We used this at the Husker Harvest Day show over in Nebraska last fall. You can see it's got some wear on it. 2 years ago at the Husker show, they have dryland alfalfa, and they don't have very much of it, so we don't get to make many bales. We don't get to make full-size bales. Number one, but it kind of was dry there both years, and the crop was kind of short and everything, and we weren't making the best bale that we could 2 years ago. Last year, we put the short crop kit in, and we also put that electric density valve in. There's also new software this year, 1.06 software that needs to be put in these bales. And I suggest if you haven't done it, do that at the same time when the density valve comes in.
Does it recommend that on that TSB also?
It should. I believe it does, doesn't it, man? Yeah. So anyway, what this does, here, young strong buck, come over. You grab this thing. So, you go like that. So I want you to put these 2 forks in this holes here. Slide that down and slide that down. So bingo, with no tools, we can block off. We've got a real wide throat opening. Very, very great capacity on this machine. But sometimes you don't need that, because that short prop can come up and regurgitate over onto the pickup. So we put this in, that blocks that off. This also comes with brackets that you can mount on the back of your baler and just carry it there if you want to, keep in your pickup bed, whatever you want to do. So then, you stepped away too soon. How are you going to take it out? So that bolt under there is spring loaded, so just pull it. Yep. And the reason I like to show this is, especially in this part of the world, I think everybody's going to need one of these, because we're in an arid climate out here. We're not like Georgia or someplace. So the crop's going to get short, droughty. We're not going to have the irrigation water some year or whatever. That's about a $500 option. Sell it to the customer right off the bat and be done with it, and tell them when to use it. Now I will also say, a few weeks ago I was out of Grand Junction. We had a 4x5 baler, and that they had a short crop kit in last year and didn't take it out, and we took it back to the field after putting that density valve in and the new software. Because we as well as we wanted to last year. We went out, the first bale came out beautiful, beautiful bale, everything. But we had all kinds of crop on the pickup. And we thought, what the heck's going on here? And we were kind of looking around, and one of the guys said to the other guy, he goes, is that short crop kit still in that baler? And he goes, yeah, it is. I said, get it out of there. And we pulled that out of there because we were in good alfalfa and cleaned it up. We no longer got any. So it can hurt you, you know, as well as help you. I mean, it's an option to put in when we want to put it in and not otherwise. This baler, the 5x6 baler, does have, you can come and see it here, there's a scraper for this roll here, and there's a scraper for the roll right in here, and that can help keep crop from racking up and everything. There is dimensions on that, and as part of that that bulletin, there's some new hardware, 8.8 grade hardware that we'll need to put on these balers too for the scraper rolls. So, because last year we did have a few of them that were backing off on us some in some kind of real tough conditions.
Are these belts interchangeable like Case and New Hollands? Or do we need a special tool?
This
They look like alligator.
Yeah, this is the Macro lenses, I believe.
They look, never mind.
Yeah.
They look good.
Yeah.
That's what's weird.
Yeah. So, and these are, and these balers are all lace belts. They're on an endless belt option at this point in time. We do have a silage chopper baler that has endless belts in it, but I don't think we'll probably see that around here. So, this is going to be the primary baler. Okay, let's step on around.